Hey friends, this is Atif Opirval and welcome to the new update on THORChain. THORChain has recently broken out the resistance of a quite big falling wedge pattern on a weekly time frame chart, and in today's video we will take a look at this move, and I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for THORChain that I shared with my members almost 3 days ago. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more trading signals you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for THORChain that I shared almost 3 days ago with my members on 4th of September, and that was a harmonic bullish reverse Gartler pattern that THORChain completed on the daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone, and read the sell target zone here. And so far, it has rallied almost 10%. And before that, I shared a quite long-term trade signal. And by the way, this signal I shared in the month of Feb 2022. And this move was formed on a weekly time frame chart. And this was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher move. And you can see when I shared this idea, it was moving at the very end of this buying zone. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price then started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied inside this sell target zone up to $13.20. And this was almost 340% pump on this weekly time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of THORChain, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And we can see that for the past several months it was moving inside this falling wedge pattern. We had bounce here, we had a bounce from this support here, and this was the last bounce that we had here in the month of May 2023. And we had several rejections by the resistance here. Like we had a rejection here in the month of August 2022. Then we had almost 3 or 4 rejections here in the month of Feb 2023. And then we had 2 more rejections in the month of April 2023. And finally, after getting bounced from this support, this falling wedge pattern, and a quite long-term support of 80 cents as well, the price line rallied very well and broke out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. If I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see that so far it has rallied almost 161%, but got rejected by this long-term resistance of $2 that had been previously working as a resistance here and as a resistance here as well. And now it is again working as a resistance for the price line. You can see we got rejected, but the price line is now getting accumulated between this support, this resistance of the falling wedge pattern, and this resistance of $2. And now this previous resistance of the falling wedge pattern can work as a support if the price then moves more down to retest this level. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this breakout from this falling wedge pattern, then the target is here at the top of the wedge that can be approximately at $3.20. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.